Hello guys, welcome to my this video, and today in this video I will show you how we can create the calculator and without evaluate method. Evaluate method actually we should not use that. Okay, so that's why here I am not using evaluate method. I have written the custom logic. So if you are thinking why we should not evaluate method, so if I go to the documentation of evaluate method, so here you will find it's clearly written that we should not use evaluate method. Here you can see do not use evaluate method. So here you can read the documentation why we should not use. Okay, here I will not go this, I will not discuss more about that, but here clearly written we should not use that. But guys, here I will show you the demo, and here I will just little bit of give you the example like why should not use. Okay, so now guys, first of all here what I have done in this video. So here first of all if I press any sign without number, okay, you can see, so here it's not printed because first of all I have to add the number. So that functionality I have written here. And guys, in this video just I will show you how you can create the design part, although I didn't focus the design part much more, but guys it's like little bit of looking like calculator. Okay, so now here if I press any number, and now here suppose I want to add, so I will add like this sign, and now suppose I want to add the 5, so 7 plus 5 it should be written 12. So now if I click the equals to sign, so here you can see it's written 12. And now this is C means the clear button. So if I click this button, so here you can see it's clear. Now again, so 7, and now if I press int. Okay, so now guys, after this one without pressing any number, again if I press any other sign like plus, so here you can see this one is replaced to plus. But if you use the evaluate method, so that time you cannot do like that. Here I have written all the thing custom logic, so that's why I can do that. Okay, and the functionality part I will just explain very easy way, but this video I will not cover the functionality because otherwise the video will be more long and you will not get interest to watch this video. So here just I will show you the design part. Okay, and next video I'll show you the functionality. And now guys, suppose if I press 9 and minus 2, so here you can see it's showing the output, so it's showing the proper output and clear. So here you can see, and the backspace button also. So guys, first of all I will open the Visual Studio Code editor for showing how you can add the design. Okay, so guys, here you can see I have opened index.html file and style.css. so this is external css, so I have linked this one here, you can see, and here I have added the very basic HTML structure. You can see I didn't add anything, so I'm assuming you know the very basic HTML structure. Okay, and now here I will start to write our code inside this body tag. So first thing here I will add the div class calculator. Okay, and these are not a bootstrap class, so here this class name you can write anything as per your choice. Okay, and now guys, here after that I will create the input field. Okay, so here I will use div class. Okay, not a input tag, so div class input, and here I will add the id. I'm adding here only for the JavaScript purpose. Okay, when I will write the functionality, so that time it's needed id. And now guys, here I will add the operators. Operator means the sign. Okay, plus minus, so those sign we called operator. So here I will write the class name is operator. By the way, this class name you can write anything because those are not a bootstrap class, so here you can write anything, but similar name I will suggest to write. Okay, so now div, and now here I will add plus sign first of all, and now again just I will copy this div and paste here, and again I will paste and paste 4th time. So here I will just replace this plus to minus. Okay, and here you can see it's showing the output at the same time. Okay, so now here just plus minus is done, and now here I will add and person and times. Okay, this one, and here I will write and person divide this, sorry, divide spelling is this one. So now if I save, so here you can see it's added this sign, operator. Okay, so first of all I will cover all the HTML and then I will move to the CSS part. And now guys, here I will write another class that is called div class left panel like this. So here panel like this. Okay, and this. And now inside this one here, first of all I will write div class number. Here for here I will not use any display flex. By the way, if you know, so you can use the display flex as well, but I'm not using, because if I use the display flex, so that time some viewers is the beginner, so they cannot understand, so that's why I am not using display flex. Only for only in the body tag I will use. Okay, so now guys, here number. So first of all here I will write the div again, and number first thing is 7. Okay, and now I will copy this one and I will paste is 3 times. Okay, not 3 times, 2 times. So 7, and here it's an 8, and this one is 9. Okay, and now I will copy these numbers and I will paste here. Okay, and now here just I will add 4, 5, 6, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and again I will copy and paste here, and here I will add 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is done, and now again it's already copied, so just I will paste here. And now this one it's a 0, and after that here I will add point, and now here I will add C, this one, and here I will add ID. So ID is for JavaScript part, I mean functionality time, when I will add the functionality, so that time this one ID, here this one, and I also added the ID inside this input tag, so those are needed in at the time to functionality part. Okay, I hope it's clear. And now here I will add div class, and I will write the class name is back means backspace, and here I will add backspace. Okay, in a text. By the way, you can add any left arrow like this. And now guys, here just here you can see in the calculator div, first div is okay. So inside this calculator div, here I will add div class equal and ID. You know ID is for scripting part, so ID is result. Okay, and here I will add equal sign and I will do save. So here HTML structure is done, here you can see. And now I will move to the style part. Okay, so here I will go to the style part. So first thing is body tag, body, and here main common thing, that is padding 0 and margin is 0, and here I will write that is display flex. So here only I will add the display flex, and very basic CSS property I am adding here. So that is justify content is center. For just adding this center, you can see now those are in a center, and align item is also center. Okay, and the font size I will add here. So font size I will add 1.8 REM, this one. Okay, so you can see it's showing like this. And now guys, here after that the div is, that is calculator, I mean class name. Okay, so now here just I will add this class name calculator, and first thing is width. So width is 392 pixel, and padding is, that is 20 pixel. And guys, here why I'm suggesting to watch this video, because I know design part you can make by yourself, right? But guys, here why I'm suggesting, because when I will write the script, so that time based on the div, okay, so based on the structure, here I will add the script part. So that's why I'm saying watch this video also. Okay, so now guys, padding is 20 pixel, and here I will add the border radius is 1 pixel, and box shadow I will add 0 pixel, 1 pixel, then it's a 4 pixel, 0 pixel, and the color is RGBA color I will add, So 0 RGBA means red, green, blue, and A is used for opacity. Okay, so 0 comma 0, that is black color, and the opacity I will add 0.2. okay, this one. So save, and now here you can see how it's looking. So here you can see the structure is created and calculator div CSS is done. And now after that this is input. Okay, this class. So now here I will add this input, and first thing is border. So border is 1 pixel and solid, and the color I will add this color code. Okay, and the border radius is 1 pixel, and after that here I will add text align. Why I am adding text align? Because when I will press any value, so that time it will start from right. So that's why I have written text align is right. And now here I will add height is 60 pixel, and after that font size. So font size is 2.5 rem. Okay, and transition I will add here all means for all number the transition. Okay, all number, and when I will add the transition for the box shadow. So for everything it will be at the same effect. Okay, so that is all. And point to s. Okay, s means second, and is in out, I mean when transition will be add, so that time it will be the same effect, and when transition will be removed, so that time it will be removed the same way. So that is actually is in out. Okay, so it's a done, right? So now input is done, and now when I will hover on this input, so input then hover. So when I will hover, so that time I will add the effect, that is border is 1 pixel solid, and the border color I will change into this color code, and after that box shadow, this one. And what I will do, just I will copy this box shadow from here, and here I will paste. Okay, and now here see what I'm changing. Inside means inside this input field. Okay, so box shadow will be add inside this input field, not outside. So that's why inside 0.14 pixel, then 0 pixel, that is done. Just I have added inside. Okay, so now here you can see when I hover on this, so the shadow is inside this input field, not outside. So that is inside. Okay, and I hope it's clear. So now guys, I will add the CSS for this operator div. So here operator then div, because inside this operator is the parent class, right? And here inside this operator there is the div tag. So that's why operator then div. So now display is an inline block, because all the operator will be in a same line. And the border I will add border 1 pixel solid, and the border color is this color code, and border radius is 1 pixel, and after that width I will add, that is 80 pixel, and text align is center, I mean all the operator will be in a centerized. And now here I will add padding is 10 pixel from top, right, bottom, left. In 4 side will be 10 pixel, and after that margin. So margin is in top, that is 20 pixel, and then after that it's a right is 4 pixel, and then bottom is 10 pixel, and left is 0. Okay, and cursor is pointer. When I will hover on the button, so that time it will be a hand sign, you can see, right? So cursor is pointer, and the background color I will add this color code, and the transition I will add 0.2s is in out, like this. Okay, and now here what I will do after that, hover effect I will add. So I will copy this one and paste hover. Okay, so now here when I will hover, so background color will be this color code. Okay, which color code I already added, so that, and now the box shadow. So box shadow here, what I will do, just I will copy this one. Okay, this one I will add here like this. So here you can see shadow is adding. And now guys, this background color I will remove from here because it's not needed. Okay, so here you can see this is done. And now here after that, just I will add border here. Border is border color I will add. So border color, that is this color code. Okay, so here you can see. And now after this one, here when I will click any div, right, so that time I have to be so the div is clicked. So now here I will copy this one, and here I will add active class, and the font weight is I will add bold. So guys, here you can see div active is font weight bold, means when I will click, so here you can see icon is bold, and now it's looking like a anyone click this button or div, you can say, right? So that's why I have added the active and bold. And now guys, here the next is left panel. I will copy this one and paste here. Okay, and one more thing guys, here what I will do, this width I will change, it's 66 pixel, right? So here you can see it's looking in the same line. And now in the left panel, here I will add only display inline block, and after that here is the numbers, and inside this number there is the div. Okay, so now here I will add number, div, and the same CSS property I will add for this one. So I will copy this one and comma this. Okay, so now here first thing I will add display inline block, and after that border is 1 pixel solid, and the border color is this one, and now the border radius is 1 pixel, and width is 80 pixel, and after that text align is center, and then padding is 10 pixel. And guys, one more thing, now again I have remembered, that is here in the input, here I have to be add the padding. Okay, padding is 12 pixel. Okay, and now here then padding is 10 pixel, and after that here I will add, that is margin. So margin is first is 10 pixel, and after that 4, I mean top is 10, right is 4, bottom is 10, and left is 0. Okay, this is margin. And the background color I will add here. So background star F9. So this color code I will add here. So you can see it's added like this. And now here one more thing, that is transition. I will add transition 0.2s is in out. Okay, so this is done. So but backspace with it's similar like this one. So here what I will do, just backspace width I will increase. So I will copy this one and paste here, and now here just I will add width is 2558 pixel, and letter spacing is 2 pixel, and font size is 16 pixel. Okay, so here you can see it's looking like this. Okay, And now here, first of all, I will create the structure of this design. And now if I think anything it's looking bad, so after that I will change. Okay, and now again just I will copy this one and paste here. So when I will hover on this, and same way when I will hover on this back button like this. Okay, so here I will add the background color is F1 this one, and the box shadow, so box shadow I will copy, which already added this one, so I will copy from here. And border color, so border color is this. And now guys, here one thing again I have to be changed, that is this width I have to be at here 66 pixels. So it will be similar like here, and in the right here I will add for the equal sign. Okay, but before that, just here I will copy this one and I will paste. Okay, and instead of hover, same way I will light the active, which I already had shown. So when it will be active, so that time here only the font weight I will add, that is bold. So then if I click here, so you will find it's a bold sign. Okay, means it will look like it's a clicked. Okay, and another thing that I have to be add, that is cursor pointer. So cursor is pointer, that means when I will hover on this button, so it will be shown the hand icon, that means it will look like it's a clickable. Okay, so here you can see, right? And now here I will add the design for the equal. So here you can see equal, so I will just copy this class name, that is equal. Okay, and here first thing I will add display, it's a inline block. So here you can see it's comes here, right? And now border, so border is 1 pixel solid, and the border color I will add 3079 ED. Okay, that is actually sky color code. Okay, and here I will add the border radius. Border radius will be same for all, that is 1 pixel. And here width I have to be add, that is 22.4%. and let's see, so here you can see it's looking like this. And now here I will add text align, it's a center, so that means this equal is, you can see it's now the left side, but here if I save, so you can see equal is the middle, right? So it's looking like better. And now here I will add, that is padding. So here I will add padding, so padding top and bottom, that is 127 pixel, and left and right is a 10 pixel. Okay, and guys, this one if I write 124, just a minute, I have to be checked in using inspect which one will be perfect. Okay, so now here just this one, it's a 120, it's okay, but this one I have to be decrease, so 2 pixel is perfect. Okay, so here I will add, that is 2 pixel. And now here I will add margin top is 10 pixel. And here one thing you can notice here, that is this equal, okay, equal div, here it's start from the bottom, but guys here I need it will be start from the top, so that's why here I will add vertical align, that is top. Now you will find, you can see here it's started from the top. Okay, so here I hope vertical align why we use, you can understand. And now the color I will add, that is white color. And here I will add the cursor is pointer, and background color, So background color is that is 4D, and here I will add 90FE. Okay, this color code. So here you can see now it's looking like this, and the border radius, you know, I'm adding the border radius that is 1 pixel. Okay, this is done. And the transition, I will add transition all point to S and is in out. So meaning of is in out I already discussed. Okay, and now I will copy this one and hover effect first of all. Okay, so the hover effect is that is first of all background. So background color, here I will add the color that is this one, which I added for the border. Okay, and the box shadow. So box shadow I will copy from here and just here I will paste. Okay, and the border color, here I will add. Okay, so border color, so border color I will add that is 1857BB, 1857BB, this color code. Okay, and now here if I hover, so here you can see how it's changing. And I will add the active. You know why I'm adding active, because when I will click, so that time I have to be denotes that it's clicked. Okay, so that's why font weight is bold, right? So design part is almost done. So if I click, so here you can see, so now I will open in the full view. So here you can see it's looking like this. One thing here you can do, this backspace, not backspace, this equal sign you can increase. Okay, so here that is this one if I increase up to this backspace button, so I think it will be looking perfect. 150. Okay, like this also it's looking better, but I think the first one is looking better like this. Okay, so now guys, design part is done. Okay, so in the next video I will show how you can add the functionality, and that will be the main thing, right?